Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to chat with Amazon customer service. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. After signing in successfully, you'll be able to see your order history and account details. Now, move your mouse over the Account and Lists section, located in the top right, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Account. This will take you to a page with several options for managing your Amazon profile. Scroll down this page until you find the Customer Service and click on it to open Amazon's Support Hub. Here, you'll see a list of categories like Your Orders, Returns, or Prime Membership. However, if your issue doesn't fall under any of those, scroll down and click on Something Else. Under this section, you'll then see another option titled I Need Help with Something Else. Clicking on this tells Amazon's system that your question might not match their predefined options and that you need more personalized assistance. After selecting it, a new screen will appear prompting you to connect with an Amazon associate. Once the chat window opens, you can start typing your message to explain your issue or inquiry. An Amazon representative will join the chat shortly and guide you step by step to resolve your concern. And that's it. So that is how you can chat with Amazon customer service. So that's all for this video. Thanks.